Hi, everyone, and happy Friday. Today, we're actually moving on to a new mission, Mission 7. But even though we're moving on to a new mission, you can still go back to your previous missions to finish any lessons that you haven't completed yet. So today, we're actually going to do our lesson today actually aligns with Mission 7, Lesson 1. During your digital lesson today, you will be responsible for solving 1- and 2-step problems based on a variety of topics studied throughout the school year. And these problems will also include all 4 operations: multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Be sure that you have a pencil and paper with you as you work through these problems. Some of them might be a bit challenging, but I know that you guys can do it. And here are some important things to remember. Be sure to have pencil and paper in hand. These are multi-step problems, so you will need it. Read each problem twice, at least twice. Draw models to represent the problem, and write equations with variables to help you solve. Let's get started with our word problem for today. Scott's family takes the train to the city. The sign below shows information about the cost of train tickets. Scott's family buys 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets. How much does it cost Scott's family to take the train into the city? Solve on paper, then check your answers on Zearn. I want you to stop and think. What information do we know? Great. We know that each adult ticket costs $8. We also know that each child ticket costs $6. Is there some other information that we know? You got it. They purchased 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets. In order to figure out how much money was spent for the entire family, we first need to know how much the adult tickets were and how much the child tickets were. Can you come up with an equation to help us solve for the amount of money it costs for the adult tickets? Great. We can use 2 times 8 to solve for the amount of money it costs for the adult tickets. What about the amount for the child tickets? What equation can we use to help us solve for the amount of money they spent on the child tickets? You got it. We can use the equation 2 times 6 to help us solve for the amount of money they spent on the child tickets. Go ahead and solve those 2 equations on your own. Great. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 6 equals 12. Now, in order to find the total amount that Scott's family paid to take the train into the city, what should we do with those 2 values? You got it. We should put these 2 values together in order to find the amount. So 16 plus 12 would equal 28. It cost Scott's family $28 to take the train into the city. As you move through the rest of your lessons, the rest of your problems through your digital lesson today, remember, take your time, read the problem twice, write out your equations, and if you need to, you can feel free to give me a call, you can text me, or write me a message on Dojo. Have a good weekend.